Yeah, so this is 27,000 from the Lewis family from the US. So that's the Lewis family from the African Youth Club. You know, original Jonestown man who live in the US. See, I can count it. It's 27,000.
Hey, upon it, you know, I don't know New York my place, you know, so don't know.
Oliver and Carla big up on yourself every time. See that. You see, as I call Oliver and Carla me and the how drop a while ago.
Well, Oliver and Carla. My name Carla while ago and this drop.
And that drop as I call it, because as a chef name I call to, you know, Oliver. You know.
Show you Oliver and Carla. So hold it love, they feel.
Yeah.
And the breeze that show you love. I watch that man say Oliver and Carla, boom!
That job.
Yeah man, so it's me show you.
Powerful.
Yeah man, I still last year first.
Yeah, put it back up. As I call Oliver and Carla name that drop off straight away. So you know.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
you know?
Yeah.
Can't stay in, have to stay home and do what to do. No. All dream team, all fans, donors, everybody, you go for yourself. Straight, you know, one up, you know.
Yeah. Blessed, mommy.
Alright.
Everything alright? Yeah. Go on? Everything alright? Yeah, so a good thing me have passed. Come to call your phone, I'm the phone.
No, I'm gonna call. I must come on here.
Today, so there's a viewer that watch it as well. Alright, dog, alright. So there's a viewer that watch it as well, and him like give his opinion, and him reckon that the best thing you can do a blood test first. Because the blood test now can determine like what's in the blood and what can get done. So you never tried that before to get the blood test done? No. So with the donor, yeah. So the donor, his name is hold on, let me see it right here. So it's the Lewis family, yeah. So it's the Lewis family, you know, from the African Youth Club from Jonestown. So he's a person that used to live in Jonestown as well too. So he watch the program and he really feel I'm been touched because he know say yo, he know what he's going through because he might think about it. So I'm kind of being hurt by what I go through. So I'm going to try and say I can assist in any way I can. But I'm going to do the blood test first so that can determine what can get done. Because they say you never do the blood test before. But you just want to do, the MRI, right? Yeah, so at least the blood test now can give you more information. Yeah, so in this, so we have donation for me have 27,000. For you to take him to the doctor to get the blood test done. So when you get that done now, then they can come to me and explain to me the result, so we can make the viewers them know and the donors them know, so we can know what to take it from there. Right, so maybe you have to go book an appointment. Yeah, so and we are asked, so we are open prayer, so at least we can get some form of result. Yeah, so this is 27,000 from the Lewis family from the US, so that's the Lewis family from the African Youth Club, you know, original Jonestown man who live in the US. So I can count it, it's 27,000. Yeah, so you can tell the Lewis family thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. So I'm gonna ask, it's a ask you those.
What about the Wednesday lockdown?
Yeah, it's gonna be after the lockdown, right? So after that now you just save my number. Yeah. And you just ring me so that we can come and video and get the update, so we can know what to get done from there. Yeah, so it might depend on you come back with the results so him can know how I go on, because him say him can't know what to do unless we get some form of information. And for him best interest is for him to do the blood test because he never done that before. So that's the main thing. Him saying don't know the cost of it, so him saying that. So and I think that can really cover it. Really, so we just hope for the best from this. Yeah. So soon as possible, whenever you can get it done, then we can make the viewers then know. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You alright?
Yeah, man.
Alright, let's go on with it. See me. Yeah, mommy.
Yeah.
And just keep me up to date. Yeah. So blessings to the Lewis family. Again, once more, big up yourself. You know, the Lewis family from the African Youth Club from Jonestown, original, born and grown at Arnett Garden. I live in the US. So big up yourself and we hope for the best. So, mommy, yeah, continue the right thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. We have the whoa chef here with a new haircut.
Yeah, man, the latest, you know.
And the face well shaved.
Yeah, man, it's the latest haircut, man, you know.
Yeah.
2021 haircut, you know.
And the mask well new.
Whoa, yes, man. Feel it proper, you see me, I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see me?
Well, the mask look different, boy.
Yeah,
That was
man.
an operation mask.
Yeah, man, the proper mask, you know, cause it's a
In the
mask
emergency room.
described by the doctor.
You said describe or prescribe?
Yeah, prescribed by the doctor, Dr. Angel, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Dr. Angel, you know, big up yourself, you know.
Dr. Angel.
Yeah, man, I love when describe the master still, you know.
Prescribe?
Prescribe the master, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, said that you feel like it now go lack off your breath, you know, so you just continue to wear it and
You say breathe right through it.
you just itch one side by your ears, I said still. Yeah, man. So Corona come around, it just bounce it off, you know.
I lie. So,
Yeah, man, anybody sneeze, it just, you know.
so that one the well custom made
Yeah,
for
man,
you
custom
alone.
made, you know. Yeah, man.
So I'm to the team. If I get some
Yeah,
custom
man, have
made.
some more for the team, you know, but, you know.
You
Yeah,
know.
man, have a lot for there for the team, man. Team on them there, man.
Yeah.
I might custom build one this never on, you know.
Sure. See there, see
New York, I
there.
wanna come from, you know. Made in New York.
Made in New York.
Yeah, man.
New York twice.
Twice, man. You know, that's why I have them twice. You know.
Not once, but twice.
You want to see them?
We say have them?
Yeah, man, you want to see them?
Yeah, man. Them want to see them. We want to see them.
Yeah, man.
We want to see my barrel.
Yeah, man.
Oh, just see them. They're out.
I
Oh,
have to describe them, you know.
see there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I don't really want to hold them in the hand certain way, because you see me, I say,
Yeah.
yeah, man, them there, man. Dr. Angel described them, you know. The team on them there, you see me, I say,
Oh, that bag there have my name on it.
yeah, man, yeah, man.
I would Nurse Jackie said they sent it.
Yeah, man, Nurse Jackie said.
Oh, Nurse Jackie. That Nurse Jackie prescribed it. Alright. Well, we shall get an international call from Apple Pie. Apple Pie, our destiny.
Well, Destiny Apple Pie, boy. Missed on them, cry, you know, the phone, you know.
Yeah.
A different object that call, man.
Oh, different one.
Yeah, man, one away, you know.
Okay.
One away, man.
One away, so one. Oh no, man. I know one away, man. And you that man.
Apple Pie, come like remember me and Destiny, so. They're on the ground, same way, you know.
I go and fight the fight.
Yeah, fight the fight, you know, because Destiny wait too long and the Destiny can't come to all now, you know. Time though. Yeah, man,
Yeah.
a time now, man, you know.
I'm very kind of.
Apple and motor pie, you know.
Yes, the amount of apple and the amount of pie.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Where you go through.
I'm going to say all the Destiny too long, and you see?
Still I will.
Yeah, so. That come true, man.
At time.
That come true, so.
Time.
Yeah, that come true, man. That come true, let's give a round of applause, you know?
What do you missing in action?
Yeah, man, for real, man.
What do you missing in action, you know?
Yeah, man, they're the country road, yeah.
See my country life.
Yeah.
I go and plant too. I go and dig too.
No,
Is that your plant or your dig foundation?
Yes, then the country road, you know, about plant and dig in a car, you have to drop the seed, you know. I would say the seed, you know. I tell you about natural seed that grow, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you have to put the plant, you have to put the pine, plant the tree, the banner. You know, listen what I say?
Yeah.
Only if I love me going to the show, man, you know.
Wow. Yeah.
Only if I love me going to the show, so. People are always talk about down there. Boy, them two will come on from town, you know. Three will come on and love how them dealing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see.
Yeah, see the road chef step in the place well.
One hero and the barger, you know.
Yeah.
It's a natural thing, man. I know. Only for love. Yeah, so we'll show them, but the love for them show, I mean, them know say.
So what go on with the New Year style? Come on,
Yeah.
New York tonight.
No, because the barber we do it, you know. And I'm an original barber, in there, you know.
Yeah.
Because the original barber is there, New York have a print out, you see.
Twice.
So you just give me a natural thing, you know.
Yeah.
Natural, you know.
Guys, me say, I'm gonna say the New York twice, you know.
I'm
Be
a
a
barber
one.
there, I'm chilling there, so you just give me a natural.
Yeah.
You just love it and see me work with it same way, you know.
No, might as well.
Some of the girls them say they like it, you know. Some say, yeah man, got it up, you know. It's well up. It's a natural look. It's up, yeah man.
Yeah.
Like Superman, you know.
Oh, not Superwoman, Superman. You know the thing already, so we have to always give thanks. So wow, chef is Superman. A super chef, man.
Yeah man, see
Ah, blessed family. Wow, chef is super chef, man.
Whoa. One, and if I want, you know.
They say not two.
No, one, no. I mean, I know you can come like a two, you have, you know. Whoa. Right on the side, you see? Whoa.
Any other walk
They say whoa on the side and whoa on the other.
Yeah man, so.
Whoa, them I got have.
Yeah, because I have to go right on the side, make it whoa.
Yeah. So them have whoa on one side and whoa on the other side.
Claps like, you know, you have to one or two. You know, you see? Yeah man, so double thing with the pan, you know.
Not once but twice.
Beef on the side and meat on the side, you know. Only for love, you know, so. Yeah man, share the love.
Yeah, you say so share the love. Oh chef, me have some donation for you towards the material, you know.
Yes man, you know.
So you can get the 4-inch black them where you say
Oh, Lord Jesus.
oh chef, say you have some 4-inch black.
Yeah man.
You want in place build up, you know?
Yeah man,
So that have a well custom made.
4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch, I say go about 8 narrow, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Inches by inches.
Yeah man.
I when that place up and running, me I tell the boy.
Yeah man, go up and running, man, you know.
When that up and running. So wow, me have some donation. So me have what? Me have Romario. Remember Romario?
You play for Brazil?
I see him ball.
Yeah man, play for Brazil. Romario play for Brazil, Jaja. Yeah man, Romario play for Brazil, a big baller man.
No, that one not play for Brazil. Him probably play for Pilgrim Baptist Church, yeah.
Pilgrim Baptist Church.
Yeah, the Romario not play for Brazil, him play for Pilgrim Baptist Church, you know. Big up yourself, Romario, yeah.
Like what else we read the Bible later.
I'm saying my ball, you know.
Yeah.
But we never see the Romario now, the Brazil team, you know.
Alright.
And I play for the Baptist Church.
Alright.
They have a big up Pilgrim Baptist Church, you know.
Pilgrim
Romario.
Baptist Church, Romario.
Yeah.
Yeah, just tell me about Romario. I think about the one of Brazil, because he's one of the greatest.
Yeah.
Greatest of all greatest to play for Brazil, so pick up yourself in a Romario, you know. Enough love, you know, holy for love, you know.
Romario will come prove himself on the ball field.
Romario, if you're serious, just put the thing and come, man.
Yeah.
A big field down there, in a carpet field we have.
Trust.
Yeah, so, and nothing if you bring a team.
Is it Christopher Ellis come try?
Yeah, because Christopher is there, you know, and in there. Like yesterday I see him, say I'm going to play ball weekend, so.
Yeah. So him come play some ball and see what time it is, you know?
He ain't done it, him still come play ball, so.
Yeah. Him like the challenge.
Enough love and enough respect, you know. Only for love and respect, you Romario. You come like a striker, you know, Brazil name Romario.
See, you say you have 4,005 from Romario from Pilgrim Baptist Church from the US.
Romario. Unity from the Baptist Church, yeah. Romario.
Yeah.
Enough love and enough respect, you know.
Yeah, man, from Pilgrim.
Baptist Church, you know, yeah, them for you know. You have from a Baptist Bible, you know, Old Testament, we have good enough, you know. Old and new, you know.
Yeah.
You know, so. Anyway, you take the Bible, read that. So, enough love, yeah.
Yeah.
Only for love and respect, you know, Romario, you know.
Yeah. Big up yourself, Romario.
Big up yourself, you know, Romario.
Big up yourself, you know I go already, so. Dream Team, one
Dream Team,
Big up yourself, Romario. From Pilgrim Baptist Church for this donation towards the world chef. And you have it is Nurse Ann. This is Nurse Ann from the US, $2,000 from Nurse Ann from the US.
Nurse Ann from the US, thank you very much, you know. Only for love, you see me? This now, and that's a lot of things, you know.
Yeah.
The team out there all have vibes, right? All the vibes, so. Only for love and respect, yeah. No fluff, you know. US! Yeah, the air upon it, you know, I don't know New York my place, you know, so. Don't know.
I live on call, big up on yourself every time. See that. You see, as I call Oliver and Carla me on the. How drop a while ago?
What Oliver and Carla? What your name call a while ago and this drop?
And that drop, as I call it, because as a chef, me and I call to, you know, Oliver, you know.
Show you Oliver and Carla. So hold you for love, they feel.
Yeah.
And the breeze that show you love. Watch out, the man said Oliver and Carla, boom!
That drop.
Yeah, man, so it's me show you.
Drop powerful.
Yeah, man, I last year first, yeah.
Yeah, put it back up. As I call Oliver and Carla name, that drop out straight away. So you know, say I come right in the kitchen. Right away.
Oliver and Carla, enough love, only for respect. Them two names are powerful, you know.
Yeah.
So them two names,
Carla aka Diana.
Carla aka Diana, Oliver, them name are powerful, you know. When I talk about Oliver, you're large, you know.
No.
I tell about the chef, Oliver, only for strength. Oh, gentlemen. Enough love, Oliver, enough love. When I need more love, I need more to say no more.
Yeah.
Carla, big up yourself, you know. Only for love, you know, Carla, yeah.
Every time. So we have Miss O from Houston, Texas.
Miss O from Houston, Texas.
Yeah.
That's you know, Miss O.
Towards the whole chef material, $30,000. And Miss O
Miss O
from Houston, Texas.
from Houston, Texas.
So that's Miss O.
Miss O from Houston, Texas. Yeah, man. No, love and respect, you know. Yeah. Yeah, everything like a shot, you know. It's over running, you know, because we're up on the ears, you know.
Yeah.
We're up on the ears.
Yes, make ways.
Yeah, because ears make ways, and I know you're just coming in there. And yeah, Malcolm X tell you, a new day is come. You're going to be alright, so. You'll be alright next day, come on, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
We're up on the ears, man. The general already said, you know. Yeah, man. So.
We'll give thanks to all the donors.
Give thanks to all the donors, them only for love, love, you know.
Towards the raw chef material.
Yeah, man. You ever see the man chant and set it up, you know? You ever see the man chant and set it up, man? Because everybody overseas want to come to scum. Bathroom, toilet, everything over there, you know? Kitchen.
Everything.
Fridge, you know, you can drink ice water. I tell you. Only for settings, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because we have enough local people overseas who are linked up. You see? Only for love, you know. Everybody.
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 Love all about and love and love
Oliver
alone.
and Carla. I tell you, I don't know how I'm going to do it, you know. And I'm going to come, you know. If a white carpet or red carpet.
Yeah, because they might come soon, you know.
If a white carpet or red carpet.
Yeah.
Boy, we'll make all things look proper, you know.
So Oliver and Carla.
Always make you feel nice, so I make you feel nice.
Oh.
You see, Oliver Carla, respect, enough love,
Yeah.
donors them, big up.
Yeah, because them are coming on. They are come soon.
So,
This month. So you know, them try to get everybody. Try to give them a little trip.
yeah.
I try to have something for them, but no, for the next time. Him invite 6 of us.
Yeah.
On the North Coast to come spend some time with him and his wife, see me, for 3 days, you know, so him could get everybody, same, you know, to come and spend a little time. And him say, definitely, you're going to go on the next one, yeah, and the Zaga
So, yeah.
you see me, so,
Yeah, man.
him say 5, 5, 6 person want to come, so him select 5 and me select 1,
Yeah.
you see me, so we have 6 of them are going to go soon, when, I went about next week, them time there.
Yeah.
You see me, on the North Coast with Oliver and his wife, Carla, aka Diana, you know, so him keep on pour out the blessings to the team same way.
Yeah, man.
Because you know, so once I 1 away or 2 away after the whole team same way, you know. Because we still feel good.
The first half.
Yeah. So now him added, you have Hero to it, now him add Hero, and you have Jella, you have Liquor, you have Baby, and you have Baja, and me at the 6 now go down there. So you know the next trip now, you might go invite the others them see you who wanna get a chance to go. So liquor by liquor, everybody get a chance, you know, to visit the great Oliver and Carla, aka Diana.
That's your man.
You know, so we give thanks for that every time.
Enough love in a Carla, aka Diana. Big man. Jenna. Enough love in that. Next trip I'm gonna go on. They're nice, so first one sell off already, you know. The second one to come yet, so.
And you have a third and a fourth.
Watch it now. The first wave that gone already, the second wave will come.
Yeah.
And then the second wave gone, the third wave. Can be nice.
Yeah.
I mean, Oliver, enough love.
No, you know the worship up on the third wave.
Enough love, only for respect.
Whoa.
Yeah, because I come on the third wave, I bring my season them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, cause you don't know already. You see?
Oh, just them I go by the third, I bring him season them.
Man, I mix bring my season them, make sure you have them things that don't let them come, you know, cause
Yeah.
only for spikes, Oliver. Diana, so enough love, you know.
Then big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
Dream team, one team.
Yeah, man.
Wow, chef.
Peace out, is it, Oliver?
Whoa.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.